Hi all, welcome to AI Adoc's new video. It is for AI day number 3, and today we will discuss about we will try to explore Julius AI, which is in news nowadays for its data visualization support. So let's first we will check with its introductory video from their YouTube channel with same name. It gives feelings of Jupyter notebook where we type code and we have output next within next line. So instead of code, we need to provide prompt here. Okay, so we can see here more of possibilities in data visualization word. So let's go to this Julius.ai. We are this interface in chat format, and you have they have support for Python, R, and Lean Python. Uh, you need your Google account or other email service to connect with that. There are here we can see workspace resources. They have documentation as well, community forum. Here I can see Discord is there. It's there is a app, yeah, app available there. I'm just checking. Yeah, so it is also in app format, which is very beneficial. And here we can see from this video, this video was year ago. So there are we can see there from what show have shown in introductory video, and they have improved a lot over the time. We can see here quick visualization, data cleaner, significance testing, time series analysis, extract table from PDF, which is quite tedious work for uh, like, uh, extracting tables from PDF. I have encountered with it. It is like if they have like simple tables in PDF, it is easy to extract. But if there is no format or no that irregularity in tables within PDF, it is challenging tasks. So for this, let's check with one of the data set from Kaggle. It will take some time. So they have connected to different AI models like GPT 4040 mini, 001 mini, that's new. Also from Anthropic Claude as well, Gemini. So they have different integration from different AI, which is also of course paid service. In tools we can see code, search, model. Let's check pricing. Meanwhile, our data set gets load. So it's 1500 per month. They have light, standard, and for team different plans. 250 message per month. This interface is different from this. So user login info, then secret key, API key, security enable, multi-factor. So they have security features as well. For teams, we can create teams within this, and with integration of different accounts, we can, I think we can create code faster with different team members use inputs as well. 32 GB memory boost. Okay. So our data set is downloaded. So we can get without any input, it started analyzing data. And how does they have already provided different uh, prompts, like what this Julius AI can do with this data set. And this clarification, they also have a different columns name, different and also provided what is their take on, like, data can be used for analyze the customer behavior, card performance, and the effectiveness of different credit card strategies. Create dashboard from this data set. Thinking, okay, it has human touch as well. So we can see here that it already created Python code and output. Okay. Without any single code entered from me, it created whole code for a dashboard. And this we have this dashboard here for bar chart, then scatter plot, time series data. They have used card category, annual fees, volume and amount, interest on card category with uh, 4 subset plots. Think we also have this. Okay. So if you have paid account, then there are possibilities that you can use different AI features here, and create more of visually appealing dashboard here. This is it seems this is just a basic one. And let's check animate total transaction volume versus amount chart. I think it won't work because I'm just using free service as of now. Let's see. Thinking. Oh, whenever you add anything, it starts with thinking. So okay, we can download it from here. So let's check. Okay, this is similar to what we have created earlier in video, that animated scatter plot. We have all this code here available, which we can use. And it's it is one of the best AI tool as of I have found uh, in recent time. So you also can go through this and check with different possibility. And if you have like, if you are using for professional purpose, then you can subscribe get subscription for this AI. And there are limitless possibilities to work on. So that's it for today for Julius AI. And we have done small hands-on for this uh, new AI tool. And results are very interesting and output is very good. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then like this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Take care.